So just close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in and out at your own time. Just being comfortable, taking some time out for yourself to relax, rejuvenate, just be. And as you do that, imagine you're able to almost drop through all the emotions that you're feeling now to a place where you find that you can relax, a peaceful place, somewhere you can really take this time for yourself to recharge your batteries. And it could be that this place is somewhere you've been before, something you've made up just now. It really doesn't matter. Just that you're able to relax there, to find your peace and calm. So just take this time to notice all the good things about this place, all the things you can feel, all the things you can see, any sounds, really all the things that make this such a nice place to relax. Perhaps there are other people there, perhaps you're alone, it really doesn't matter. Just drifting, floating, being at ease in this place. Taking some time out for yourself from a busy day. Just a bit of your time. Because you can imagine how useful it would be to have this place available to you. Whenever you want to feel this way, whenever you want to just take as long as you need to relax in this place for it to make the most powerful and positive difference to the way you were before. Really focusing on how this place makes you feel. And where in your body you feel it most. And then, when you're ready, and only when you're ready, you can again open your eyes and come back to the room.